This is the easiest way to remodel your bathroom on a budget. If you're thinking about remodeling your bathroom and you want to renew your bathtub, tile, shower, countertops, or cabinets, you should go ahead and call a professional refinisher to get that done. What is refinishing? Refinishing is the restoration of your old bathtub, tile, countertops, and more by way of using industrial coatings to achieve a like-new finish without the costly need of replacement. Refinishing also saves you tons of time. Remodeling can take weeks of just gathering materials and product and planning. And not to mention, your bathroom will be out of commission once they begin with demo and all that kind of stuff. And it'll cost you thousands of dollars to replace everything and to do a full remodel. I mean, people are financing $10,000 to $15,000 bathroom remodels. So you can get everything you need refinished by a professional, save tons of money, and have a beautiful looking bathroom with a warranty. Something that sets us aside as refinishers is that the industry standard is a 5-year warranty. And in the Orlando market, if you're looking around, you'll see people offering lifetime warranties on the work. This is a tried and true process. Choose refinishing over replacement and save thousands today.